Hello and welcome to my Onam series. Today's Nakshatram is Uttradam, the eve of Onam. Uttradam is considered the most auspicious day to buy fresh fruits and vegetables for the Onam Sadya. By today, the Pookalam has become very big and complex. The recipe that I'm sharing with you today is a traditional Sadya Aviyal. Tomorrow is Onam. I wish all Malayalis who are celebrating Onam tomorrow a very happy Onam. Most of us are not able to celebrate Onam this year with members of our family and extended family due to the pandemic restrictions. Let's celebrate the day as best as we can tomorrow and hope that next year we will be able to celebrate Onam with our family and friends. ഇന്ന് ഉത്രാട നക്ഷത്രമാണ്. ഈ ഉത്രാട നക്ഷത്ര നാളിൽ ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു സദ്യ അവിയൽ കൊണ്ടാണ്. നാളെ ഓണമാണ്. എല്ലാ മലയാളികൾക്കും എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണ ആശംസകൾ. വരൂ, നമുക്ക് അവിയൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കാം.
I have about 120 grams of cucumber cut into long pieces and about 85 grams of snake gourd cut the same. I am now adding 1 drumstick cut into 7 pieces, together with 1 carrot weighing about 65 grams. Next, 50 grams of French beans and 40 grams of unripe mango that I am adding as a souring agent. You can omit the mango. 165 grams of winter melon completes the vegetables in this basin. Now for vegetables that cook fast, add 80 grams of brinjal cut long into a small bowl of water. The water prevents the brinjal from darkening. Then add 135 grams of yellow pumpkin. All vegetables are cut long to be uniform. In another bowl of water, add 1 cut potato weighing about 150 grams. Now let's take the first basin of vegetables. I'm marinating this with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 stalks curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and some salt. Massage the ingredients well into the vegetables. Massage for a couple of minutes. Massaging the vegetables with coconut oil will make them flavorful and fragrant. Next, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into the pumpkin and brinjal, together with 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Massage the ingredients well into the pumpkin and brinjal. And lastly, let's massage the potato with 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix together and massage for a short while. And now for the coconut. 110 grams of grated coconut, 7 green bird's eye chillies, and 1 stalk of curry leaves. Let's now mix the ingredients up and crush them on a grinding stone. The idea is not to grind the coconut mixture, but just to crush it. If you are using an electric grinder, just pulse it a couple of times without any water. I will be crushing the coconut mixture in 3 batches. We crush the coconut to release some oil and milk from it. It's the same with the chillies and curry leaves. Just crush them, don't grind them. This is the 3rd and last batch. all done. Here we are, the crushed coconut mixture. A quarter teaspoon of jeera. You can omit it if you want. I've just put a hint of it. Let's mix this up and get it ready for the aviyal. I'm putting the vegetables into the wok. The potatoes with 2 tablespoons of water go in first. The vegetables in the big basin come next. Next come the faster cooking pumpkin and brinjal. We'll lay them on top of the rest of the vegetables. Turn the stove on. Cover the vegetables and cook them on a low medium to medium flame. Check the potatoes after about 2 or 3 minutes. The potato is cooked. Now continue to cook the vegetables without any water. We will add water by the tablespoons if and when needed. Let's check the other vegetables now. They are not cooked as yet. Add 2 tablespoons of water to help in the cooking. The reason we are careful about adding water is because a Sadya Aviyal is a side dish. Therefore, it has to be of a thick consistency or it will flow out on the banana leaf. When not cooked as a Sadya vegetable, the Aviyal is usually cooked a little watery. That way, we don't need to make a pulisheri or a sambar as well to provide the gravy. Let's now cover and cook. I've checked the vegetables. They are not done yet, so I'm now going to add 3 tablespoons of water. Salt is not enough, so adding a bit more salt. Cover and cook until the vegetables are done. The vegetables are done. They were cooking for about 20 minutes. I added another 2 tablespoons of water. So all in all, I added 10 tablespoons of water. Now adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I had cooked the vegetables with just a little mango because I wanted to add yogurt. This yogurt is only a little sour, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons. You must make sure that your aviyal is not too sour because sour aviyal does not taste good. If you omit the mango, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sour yogurt or 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt that is medium sour. Just taste before you add the yogurt. Alternatively, you could add sufficient mango and no yogurt at all. 2nd tablespoon of yogurt going in now. Now let's lay the coconut mixture on top of the vegetables. Cover and let the coconut steam for a couple of minutes. It's been a couple of minutes. Now let's stir the coconut mixture into the vegetables on a low flame. Then cover and cook for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Now turn off the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm using virgin coconut oil. It is this coconut oil that is added to the dish at the end which makes the dish really tasty. So don't economize on the coconut oil. Now add 3 stalks of curry leaves. It is the curry leaves and the coconut oil that enhance the taste of the aviyal. Cover and let the aviyal absorb the flavors of the coconut oil and the curry leaves. The traditional Kerala Sadya Aviyal, a must-have item on the Onam banana leaf. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.